Plant FAQs. Begonia Listada. Begonia Listada, the striped beauty with unexpected flair. Hi, Ferbu here, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of the Begonia Listada, also known as the striped begonia. This compact, evergreen shrub native to Brazil boasts stunning foliage and a unique charm that makes it a houseplant favorite. See more 2,104 species in genus Begonia at monsteraholic.com. What makes Begonia Listada special? The Begonia Listada truly stands out with its captivating leaves. Imagine lush, succulent green foliage adorned with a prominent stripe of lighter green running down its center. But the visual intrigue doesn't stop there. Flip the leaf over, and you'll be greeted by a vibrant reddish underside, adding another layer of visual interest. This isn't your average, run-of-the-mill begonia. The Listada offers a touch of the unexpected with its captivating color combination and captivating form. It brings a touch of the tropics indoors, adding a burst of life to any room. How to care for Begonia Listada. Begonia Listada isn't a fussy plant, but understanding its basic needs will ensure it thrives in your care. Here's what you need to know. Light. Bright, indirect sunlight is ideal. Avoid harsh afternoon sun, which can scorch the leaves. East or north-facing windows are perfect spots. Water. Water thoroughly when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Avoid overwatering, as this can lead to root rot. Humidity. Moderate humidity is preferred. Grouping your Begonia Listada with other plants or using a pebble tray filled with water can help increase humidity levels. Temperature. Aim for consistent temperatures between 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 24 degrees Celsius. Avoid exposing your plant to sudden temperature fluctuations or drafts. Soil. Well-draining, fertile potting mix is key. Look for a mix specifically formulated for African violets or begonias. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength can be applied once a month. Withhold fertilizer during fall and winter. With these simple steps, your Begonia Listada will reward you with sustained beauty and potentially even delicate pink-tinged white flowers that bloom intermittently throughout the year. Propagating your Begonia Listada, sharing the beauty. The joy of Begonia Listada doesn't have to be confined to your own home. This plant propagates readily, allowing you to share its beauty with friends and family. Here are two common methods. Stem cuttings. Take a healthy stem tip with a few leaves attached. Plant it in moist potting mix and keep it warm and humid. New roots should develop within a few weeks. Leaf cuttings. Cut a healthy leaf from your Begonia Listada. Lay it flat on moist potting mix, ensuring the veins make contact with the soil. Keep it warm and humid, and new plantlets should emerge within a few weeks. These new Begonia Listada plants can then be nurtured and enjoyed, spreading the love for this captivating foliage wonder. Begonia Listada versus Begonia Rex. Both Begonia Listada and Begonia Rex are renowned for their stunning foliage. But there are some key differences to consider. Leaves. Begonia Rex boasts a wider variety of leaf shapes, patterns, and textures compared to the more uniform appearance of Begonia Listada. Light. Begonia Rex can tolerate lower light conditions than Begonia Listada, which prefers bright, indirect sunlight. Humidity. Both varieties appreciate moderate humidity, but Begonia Rex might require slightly higher levels. Size. Begonia Rex can grow larger than Begonia Listada, reaching up to 2 feet in height. Ultimately, the choice between these two beauties depends on your personal preference and the light conditions you can offer. Begonia Listada's compact size and unique striped foliage make it ideal for smaller spaces, while Begonia Rex offers a wider variety of visual interest for those with more room. Begonia Listada, a touch of the tropics indoors. With its captivating striped leaves and simple care requirements, the Begonia Listada is a perfect addition to any indoor space. Whether you're a seasoned plant enthusiast or a curious beginner, this tropical wonder is sure to add a touch of elegance and visual intrigue to your home. So, why not give Begonia Listada a try and experience its unique charm for yourself?